What is civil law?
It is a system of law concerned with the private relations between members of a community rather than criminal, military, or religious affairs. Civil law is a part of a conscious set of law which is concerned with the private affairs of citizens.
Civil law is the most commonly used legal system. A legal system is a set of rules and process for enforcing law.
Congress passed the Philippine Civil Law, which was then signed by the President. The Civil Code of the Philippines went into effect on June 18, 1949 and was published on August 30, 1950.
What is the importance of civil law? Civil law is about conflict resolution, ensuring disputes between individuals do not escalate into a violent confrontation. It encourages cooperation between members of society, deterring exploitative behaviors and unethical business practices.
Without civil law, larger companies could exploit small firms by not paying for goods or services as promised. At the same time, a tenant would have no recourse if their former landlord refused to return a security deposit without an adequate explanation.
Ayun na, nakikita ko rito, ayun na, naka sa TV. Ginagawa nilang bago yung kapatid ko ng pulis. Tuluyan ko na yung mga dito, nasa sa loob. Tutuluyan ko na to.
Isa sa mga tungkulin ng common carriers ay ang mapanatiling ligtas sa mga pasahero nito. Under Section 1756, in case of death or injuries to passengers, common carriers are presumed to have at fault or to have acted negligently, unless they prove that they observed extraordinary diligence. In this situation, the bus company is liable dahil hindi napanatili ng driver ang kaligtasan ng kanyang mga pasahero.
But how is civil law related to tourism? Well, we could definitely understand it by studying the Section 4 or Common Carriers in Article 1732, where common carriers are persons, corporation, or firms or associations engaged in the business of carrying passengers or goods in both land, water, air for compensation, offering their services to the public.
To provide a regulatory framework for the proper development and management of tourism activities.
Additional info to what Azanika said, civil law can also be applicable when the guest lost his baggage due to the negligence of the hotel or an airline. The guest may use the means of civil law of tort to claim compensation.
To realize how important the Civil Code of the Philippines is, with this law, we are informed about our rights,
our obligations as a citizen of this country is what our responsibility to maintain a good relationship with each other.
That is our 3-minute video.
Vamos Turismo!
See you next time!